What's up, everybody? So I'm driving my 2015 Chevrolet Corvette, and got a little over 20,000 miles now, 20,100. I actually crossed 20,000 the other day. And the cool thing was that when I crossed 20,000, it was actually as I was pulling into the driveway. Hit 20,000 exactly. So that was pretty cool. I like to drive this car as much as I can. Like today it's raining, but it'll get nice later in the day. I know a lot of people that don't like to drive their Corvettes on the rain, but for me, I like to enjoy my car as much as I can. Now if it's raining like really bad where it could hail or something like that, then at that point I'll drive my F-150. I've had this car for 3.5 years now, and it's been an awesome car. I've managed to keep it in one piece. I still got my driver's license. I mean, this car, it's got great performance for the money, of course. Another cool thing about this car, I mean, it's just the practicality of it. Initially, when I first bought this car, my intention was just to drive it on the weekend, just every now and then. But the car is easy to drive, it's comfortable. It's not outrageously expensive on maintenance, or just the whole upkeep of the car. It's not bad at all. And believe it or not, insurance on this for me would actually be cheaper than a Mustang GT. I got my quote through State Farm. Fuel efficiency, I made a video on this car. For a 20-mile stretch on economy mode, I was able to get 35 miles to the gallon. I mean, on something like this that can hit 0 to 60 in 4 seconds, somewhere around there. I mean, it's just the best of both worlds. Great fuel economy, good performance. And speaking of best of both worlds, now that it's summertime, I really like taking the top off. Makes me have that feeling of a convertible. Because I used to have a convertible car, and it was always great fun to pull the top down. So in this, I can enjoy that kind of feeling. And it's great that they were able to do it at no extra charge on all the Corvettes. I know in a lot of cars, good examples like a Lamborghini Aventador, I think the Roadster edition's like 50 grand just because you can take the top down. So it's great that they were able to do it at no extra cost with the latches, and makes it really easy to remove. Because my first Corvette was a 93 model, and on that one it had screws, and I had to get a ratchet and be careful not to strip the screws. So the cars just keep getting better and better throughout the years. I intend to keep this car for several years, and I do plan to trade it in on the C8 Corvette, the next body style, but I probably won't get it right away. I might give it a year, maybe wait for I'm sure the car will have markups, so after a year they'll have some bugs worked out. You know, first year production, that's probably normal, and then maybe prices kind of level off a little bit after a year. or at least the markups, you know. I don't want to pay a markup for it. But that's the plan, trade it in. But I think I'll always have a Corvette. It's just something that once you have one, I think if you get rid of it, you'll end up missing it. So anyways, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos.